Thank you for choosing the iSpring WF Series Central Water Filtration System. These water systems are designed to purify municipal tap water, effectively reducing odor, residual chlorine, and organic content. This video will show you how to properly install the system. Before we begin, please check that all parts are included in the package and that you have all the required tools on hand. Please carefully read the user manual and ensure your water pressure is between 35 to 100 psi. This system must be installed in a dry indoor environment away from heat sources. This system is only suitable for municipal tap water within the temperature range of 40 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not allow wastewater or corrosive liquids to pass through the filter. The filter must be installed upright. During installation, ensure that the water flow direction marked on the valve body is the same as the direction of water flow within the pipeline. To fit different plumbing sizes, the unit comes with 1-inch and 3/4-inch push-fit connectors. Unauthorized modification and disassembly are strictly prohibited and will void the warranty. See the user manual for more information and details. This product is designed for residential use only. Contact iSpring customer service to inquire about using in non-residential settings. Different settings require different connecting setups. In this video, we will demonstrate push-fit connectors. It is recommended to have a pre-filter installed before the system. A water router bypass is also recommended to ease future system maintenance. System installation. Step 1. Set the system in the desired location and ensure it is level and on a firm base. Select the proper size set of connectors. Install and lubricant the inlet and outlet connector O-rings. Step 2. Install connectors to the valves. Install the red clamps to secure connectors. Step 3. Shut off the main water supply and open the nearest faucet to release water and pressure in the pipe. Step 4. Measure and cut the main water inlet pipe. Prepare a bucket to catch water from the pipe. Step 5. Ensure the water inlet and outlet flow direction. Connect the system to the pipeline. Step 6. Slowly turn on the main water supply and let the water run for a few minutes until the air is purged from the system and the water runs clean. Ensure that no leaks occur. Congratulations! Your iSpring WF Series Central Water Filtration System is now ready for use. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.